Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to deposit money in Binance from US Bank. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to your Binance application or go to Binance website. So once you're here, just have to log into your account if needed and then tap on deposit. From here, you will see this buy with USD. You have to make sure that this is USD, by the way. And then tap on this buy with USD. We'll click on this one. Now once you click on that, this will redirect you to this page, and then you just have to enter the amount of the money that you want to deposit, and then you can choose here which token that you want to use. So you can choose whatever token, depends on you. You can also tap on the search bar and then look for the token that you want to use, like for example this one, meme. Now once you're done choosing what token, you can see here the payment method at the bottom. You can tap on this one. We'll just wait for it. And then from here you can choose whatever payment method that you want to use and then just have to confirm. Once you're done confirming the transaction, you will see here the add new card, and then you just have to tap on this one. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!